Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark your medium 5/8 inch Universal knitting loom from CinDwood Crafts. Now when you purchase it, it's already going to come marked for the figure 8 stitch. I'm showing you how to mark it for a rib stitch, which is a different, just a different stitch that you can use. First I'll go over the pegs you mark, and of course they're wrote in the description. This end peg, which is already green, you mark this out. We'll call that peg 1, peg 5, peg 10, peg 13, 16, 21, 26, 31, 34, 37, and 40. And then at that point you'll flip it over to the other side and you'll mark the same ones. So 1, 5, 10, 13, 16, 21, 26, 31, 34, 37, and 40. Alright, once you have them marked, what you do, put a slip knot on your anchor peg, which will be your peg 1 on whichever side you feel like starting from. You wrap around the bottom. You're going to do 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. As you come to the pegs that you've just marked, which however you mark them, I just put gold fingernail polish on the top of them. If you don't want to mark up your loom, you can actually take the little rubber bands or stitch markers and mark the pegs. So all you do is just wrap 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So you're over at this other end. And there you are. Now at this point all you do is just take the bottom loop, put it over the top, push the stitch down. And you do that all the way around. I'll give you a close-up of kind of what this looks like. And something else I really like about these looms are the pegs are fairly long on them. So that actually gives you more options of different types of stitches you can do. Because some stitches you can keep wrapping this. You can wrap this peg 3 times and pull the bottom 2 over the top, or the bottom 1 over the top 2, and each way you do that gives you a different appearance, which is really cool. But there it is. That is the rib stitch for the medium 5/8 inch CinDwood Crafts loom. And all you do with this, you just take the bottom loop over the top all the way around, push them down, and then you just keep wrapping bottom over the top until you get it to the length that you want. Alright, thank you for watching.